In this video, I'll show you how to block on Bluesky. Now to do it on the web version, just go ahead and go to your profile and here. Now either you wanted to block someone who follows you or the ones that you are following. Alright, just for example here, I'm going to click on following. And here I'll see a list of people that I'm currently following. So let's say for example, I'm going to select this one. Now to block them, as you can see, there'll be 3 dots right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it and hit on block account. When I click on it, as you can see, there will be a prompt. Blocked accounts cannot reply in your threads, mention you, or otherwise interact with you. Now, if you're sure with your decision, just go ahead and hit on block and you're good to go. Now on mobile phone, the way to do this is just basically the same thing. All right, let's go ahead and go to a profile, then following, for example, this account again. And again, there will be 3 dots. I'd hit on block. All right. Now, if you wanted to block someone who you doesn't like on your feed, like for example here, let's say for example, wanted to block the legend here, Mark Cuban. All right. Again, 3 dots and hit on block. That's basically how you do it. Now, if you wanted to mass block people, I have a separate video, which I will link in the description. And that's basically how you block someone on Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.